How to log in to your DarwinBox employee account. So if you want to log into your DarwinBox employee account, then first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and you need to go with search. Under search, you can search for DarwinBox employee account login. After searching, now here you will have the login section of DarwinBox. So you need to just click on it, or here also you'll have the login section. Once you click on the login, it will take you to the DarwinBox website and the login page. Now here on the right side, you will have the login interface. So if you want to log into DarwinBox, then first you need to enter your email ID or your employee ID. You can enter either one of that. After entering your email or your employee ID, you can enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, then you can just simply go with forgot password, which is right here, so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then enter your password, and then you can just simply select dashboard or task box or leaves, attendance, vibe, or reimbursements and performance management. And after that, if you want to save your login info, then you just need to simply click on remember me and then go with sign in. Once you go with sign in, then you'll be logged into your account. That's how you can log into your DarwinBox employee account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.